So we're making some onions and peppers to go with our fettuccine alfredo, and we thought we'd throw in some minced garlic as well. Just got this in. It does come sealed, so it should be pretty fresh when you get it. It is shelf stable, but refrigerate after opening. Definitely has a very, very strong garlic scent. As soon as you open it, I can smell it right away. How much of this should I put in?
About a teaspoon.
How much is that?
You're gonna need a spoon.
Should I get a spoon? About this much or what?
Yeah, that's good.
Is that good?
We don't want a ton of garlic.
Okay. One more?
A little more.
One more. Is that good?
Yeah.
So, just wanted to let you know also it's a plastic jar. It has a little bit of give to it. We're going to see how it turns out and tastes. Here's what it looks like. To me, that looks good, Abby. That looks good. Looking pretty good. Let's give it a taste. It's delicious. Garlic definitely adds a little bit of flavor. I like it.